Welcome to BNQ Mining. To update your VIP level or to expand your team, you need to complete your KYC verification. So, let's get you started. Begin by opening your BitNasdaq app. Tap on the Mining Center to open the mining interface. Once in the Mining Center, you can either open the Team section or the VIP section. For both the pages, a pop-up will appear for completing the KYC process. Here, click on the Verify Now button. First, complete your primary verification by binding your contact number. Tap on Bind. Tap Get Code, then check your email for the verification code. Enter it into the app and click Submit. Next, enter your contact number, tap Get Code, and input the code received via SMS. Tap Confirm, verifying your number. Now, let's proceed to KYC verification. Tap Verify. Enter your personal details, including your first name, last name, country of residence, date of birth, and gender. Then, tap Continue to proceed. Next, select an ID type, enter your ID number, and upload clear images of your ID. Tap Continue once done. Now, for facial recognition, take a clear picture of yourself. Finally, submit your KYC application for review. Once your application is submitted, Team BitNasdaq will review it. And that's it, you're done with your KYC. Once you are verified, you will receive 5 USDT mining power. Sounds amazing, doesn't it?